ready?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy Sober, and I'm here with J Love. All right, check this out, guys. Tomorrow, and we're going to be in Columbia, South Carolina for the 803 third annual car show at Focus Customs. You guys get a chance to see this beautiful lady right here, and you don't believe me? Check this out. There you go.
Hey guys, this is Harlem with TDM Rides. I'm here with and J-Lo, also with TDM Rides. So tell us a little bit about your challenge.
So this is a 2019 RT. Obviously it's got a big Deadpool theme. I got it early last year. A little bit less than 400 horsepower. I went with the Deadpool theme just because I like the whole concept behind Deadpool, kind of like a more or less like senseless, comical killer, pretty much. And that's the kind of idea I wanted to go with this. And future-wise, I probably won't do too much to it other than ripping all the outside wrap, and we're gonna do a full Deadpool wrap.
Which, by the way, we did see that wrap. He showed us a picture. That's gonna look dope when he gets it done. Yeah. TDM Rides. I'm here with Harlem and
Ready?
tell us a little bit about your car.
I got this one for Japan. This ID4 FD. Steel twin turbo. I got the R Magic body kit. I put an intercooler, radiator. So I'm planning to do single turbo, and I have all the gauges, D5 and Power FC, ECU, bright seats. And for now, I'll keep it like this. Probably next year, I'm going to do the single turbo.
My girl Harlem with TDM Rides. I'm here with the lovely J Love. And alright, so I see you got this badass challenge. Excuse my language.
Thank you so much.
So what was your inspiration behind your theme?
I'm a huge Fast and Furious fan, and I try to base my car on everything in the movie. As you can see, up under the hood,
It's about
and you go inside the car, as you go inside the back seat.
and then hold up, you gotta come back here. So we're
Oh yeah, to the trunk.
you gotta come to the front. If this ain't a display, I don't know what is. V8?
Yes, it's a V8 I've been working on it for about a year and a half now. Still got a little ways to go, but hopefully about another year, everything is pretty much taken care of.
So are we pretty much set in stone with what you got going, or are you doing some more modifications?
More mods,
Okay.
eventually, yes.
Alright. Hey everyone, we here at Focus Customs. I'm J Love from TDM Rides, and I got the lovely Harlem with me. Hi guys. And
John Michael.
John Michael. Well, John Michael, tell us a little bit about your car.
This
What we
is
got
a 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer, fully decked out, fully loaded.
Alright, so you plan on doing anything else to it, or?
No, it's pretty much done. I got another one that I'm actually doing more stuff to it now. It's a 2015 I got also.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Harlem with TDM Rides. I'm here with the lovely J Love and
Aaron.
Alright, Aaron. So what we got going on here?
So we got a 93 Honda Civic, Panda wide body kit. We have airlift, air suspension. We have the motor swap out of a CRV, 1320 headers, stainless steel with 3-inch exhaust, speed factory, turn down bumper. We have the rotor wheels, and then we have future goals. I'm going to redo the whole interior. It's going to get a supercharger put on this motor with carbon fiber hood, roof, wing, and dash.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Harlem. I'm here with J Love and Junior. Alright, Junior, tell us about your Lexus.
It's a 06 static Lexus, moped. Pretty much aesthetic. Got negative 10 camera in the rear, negative 7 in the front, 3-piece wheels. Future mod, get a front lift kit, front facelift, and paint. Then we're going with original paint, just flakes in it, red flakes.
Just basic, simple and clean.
Hey, this is J-Love. We're here at Focus Customs, our free car show. I'm here with Harlem and Marriott, tell us a little about your car.
Well, it's a 2013 Dodge Charger SRT8. Paint job is copper hair pearl. There's only 2 in the United States. Paint this color here. I got the paperwork, everything saying only 2 in the United States.
Right here. We ain't lying. So, any future mods?
Yeah, I plan to go inside the engine and redo the drawers and pistons. Change those out.
I'm not changing the color, right?
No,
I
I'm
like
not changing the color.
Not gonna
Now,
lie.
only 2 in the United States, so I'm keeping the color.
Okay, good. And I'm definitely a go-kart fan, and I definitely love the old body style Suzuki Chargers. So, glad you came out.
Thank you.
Show some love. And that was it with 2DM Rides at Focus Customs. See you next time. Hey, this is J-Love here at Focus Customs, our free car show, and I'm here with...
None other than the Chameleon King, aka Corvette King, with the Legend Grand Sport, baby.
Yeah. What you got here today?
You have this beautiful Grand Sport, limited edition, torch red with the white stripe. It's only 637 of these made. MSRP at $92,325. Every option that you can get on a Grand Sport is on. I use this car along with the Chameleon Vet to promote the positive change for our youth. That is, staying in school, a good education, staying away from drugs, crime, and gang, and keeping God first in their life. We're out here supporting my man Sober, who drove all the way from Corpus Christi.
No.
Corpus Christi.
There you go. That's even closer, but hey, kick some more miles back.
Texas to South Carolina to actually host and put on this show. And when he called me and said, hey, we're gonna do it again, you know I got to support my man Sober. That's with 2DM Rides magazine, and that's what's up, baby. And it's all about putting those stronger people out there. You don't have to be no name brand guy. You ain't got to have no doggone totally tricked out car. He does this for everybody. So, you know, when he puts on these free car shows, if you're in the area, come on out. I don't care what you driving or what you got. I don't care if it's just plain Jane. Come on out and let other people see what you got. That's what it's all about.
We appreciate you being out here every time we hear you here. So we really appreciate it.
Without a doubt, Sober knows that wherever he goes, if I can get there, there's only one show that I didn't do last year. I didn't make it down to the coast in Florida. That's the only show. But every other show I was at. Texas, here, North Carolina. Hey, gotta give my man support. Love him to death. Nothing but love for him.
We definitely appreciate your support.
We definitely appreciate it, yes. So that was J-Love.
And the Chameleon King, aka Corvette King, baby.
Hey, this is J-Love with 2DM Rides. I'm here with Harlem and Terrence, the owner of Focus Customs. So we're here today, we got a free car show.
Yep.
Tell us a little about your store.
Well, I've been doing this for over 20 years now. Successful business. Great people. If it wasn't for the people, I wouldn't be here. So I congratulate everybody who comes do business with me. So I hope many more years to come. Make this a success.
All right, I'm gonna jump in on this though.
Okay.
All right, Terrence. Hey man, what for the wheels? What do you have and all? What is the customers? What are they asking for when they come to you?
They're asking for mostly, custom, Shanti, sell 4G auto, Gucci's. But you got the certain people that want to stick with the regular, average, everyday wheel, which is Rovetti's, the massive wheels, which is a hot seller for us.
Okay.
So, we just try to get all categories. Everybody's happy with anything.
All right, that's what's up. Because I've seen a lot of times when people come in, they get their wheels. I love it when you set up and take the picture of their cars, man. All different brands of cars that come through. So, man, you got definitely a strong fan base. And I definitely appreciate you allowing 2DM Rides for the 3rd year, hosting at your establishment, man. So that's much respect. And I'm going to close it out. So on behalf of 2DM Rides, my girl Harlem, my girl J-Love, my man Terrence, thank you guys so much. Peace out to you.
Hey everyone, this is J-Love with 2DM Rides. I'm here at Focus Customs, and I just want to thank everybody that came out today to our free car show. It It was a blast. We had a great time. We had really lots of cars coming. Fast and the Furious, it was great. So I really want to thank everybody and I appreciate everyone that came out.